Stop boiling water for 10 minutes and the noodles for another 10 minutes. I'm about to save you time, power, and your sanity. What if I told you that the fastest way to cook pasta isn't cooking it at all? Well, at least not at first. I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org. I build pantry meal systems that make dinner stupid easy and wicked delicious. Less work, less stress, real food. Here's the hack. Put your dry noodles in a container, cover them with water and a lid, and stick them in the fridge for an hour or two. That's it. They hydrate while you go about living your life. When you're ready to eat, pour boiling water over your noodles for 60 seconds and then drain. Boom. Perfectly cooked noodles. Not mushy, not crunchy, just right. You just cut your cooking time down to 1 minute. Less energy, less waiting. More control if the power flickers or life gets chaotic. This is my life, my hacks. Make dinner easy today, make it easier tomorrow. Follow me and I'll show you how to turn your pantry into freedom. loadedpotato.org. Never stress about dinner again.